తన క్యారెక్టర్‌లోకి పరకాయ ప్రవేశం చేయడం అనేటువంటిది చాలా కొద్ది మందిలో మాత్రమే సాధ్యమవుతుంది. అలాంటి నటీమణి మనకి జ్యోతిక మ్యామ్. సో, 'శ్రీకాంత్' సినిమా కోసం ఆవిడ కూడా హైదరాబాద్ రావడం జరిగింది. సో, జ్యోతిక గారు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? తెలుగు గుర్తుందా ఇంకా?
No, no, Telugu very, very little. So more, of course, fully Tamil and
సో,
little bit Malayalam.
కార్తీ నేర్చేసుకున్నాడు. సూర్య గారు కూడా నేర్చేసుకున్నారు. మీరు మాత్రం ఇంకా నేర్చుకో
సూర్య గారు నో చేసుకున్నారు, ఓన్లీ కార్తీ చేసుకున్నారు. No, but I think I've not done too much work here, so still picking up Telugu is not happened. But
So, coming to Srikanth, so how it happened to you? Like the story and all, how it happened?
So Srikanth just came home actually. I'm also surprised, but I'm very happy that it came home. It's a very special film, and it's a very bold and very proud. I feel very proud to be telling the story. It's extremely inspirational, and Srikanth belongs to Hyderabad, and he belongs to South. So we're more proud because there I'm doing another language. I'm doing Hindi. I'm still part of playing a South Indian character and doing South cinema. I think it was a very, very special script to say.
So, I mean, living in a character is one thing like a bit difficult, but whatever I have seen your works in previous and recently I have seen Saitan also. So, being it a mother and now a professor. So, how is it?
So I also look out for scripts with different roles. It's always my motive that it has to be different, it has to be real, it has to be how women are in real life. And that also comes to me. I'm very happy it comes. I'm very lucky. I think cinema is a combination of good work and luck. So I just shifted to Bombay with my children and family, Surya, all of us, and suddenly this work started coming. So I feel sometimes your intentions, the kind of roles you want, you attract to the universe, and then it just comes to you. So these films have just come by themselves.
I mean, how you choose your scripts? Like,
Yeah. So I choose the roles according to the strength a woman has in the script. For me, it's what they are in real life. I feel real life women are very strong, like our mothers or sisters or mother-in-laws. I think they're very strong women, and I feel happy to play that on screen. I think playing glamorous or playing larger than life, there are many people to do it. So when the few opportunities we get to play this, I think I just grab it and I say, this is what I want to play. I connect to that. So I'm a mother, I'm a housewife. I have been, there have been a lot of different phases. There was one phase where I had not worked for 7-8 years. So I know how it is being a housewife. So when I play a housewife character, I totally connect to it. So I feel whatever, as long as the character is real and powerful, I choose it to play.
being a good wife, being a mother, and being an actress, how you got time?
I think we have time. If we keep the phone aside, there's time for everything. I think phone takes away all our time. But we balance it. Surya and me both balance it. If I go for shooting, he's with the children, and he goes to shooting. One of us is always with the children. So we balance that together as a couple. It's not always that the man should go and the lady should take care. We both do it. And I think he's a great husband that way. He really helps me to also go to work. And so the whole balance just happens.
I mean, nowadays everybody are spending more time on social media and all, but you are a little less.
It's a complicating world. I don't fully understand it also. My daughter helps me to use Instagram. I've just got on it. I like to post my traveling videos. I like to post more of things we are doing. When we adopted a dog, we wanted to post it. So we do a little more of, I like to post the real things. I'm slowly learning for how to use it through my children. I'm not too great with social media. That's why you don't see me there a lot.
So, what's your part in Agaram Foundation?
I think it's largely run by Surya. He's fully, and we are there. We are always there. We are visiting places. We are hearing the stories. Children are part of it. My daughter largely takes part with him. So all of us together as a family, not just us, Karthi, Appa at home, Surya's father, he started everything. So I think largely as a family, everyone's into Agaram. It's something the whole family is very proud of.
I mean, do you guys help each other when it comes about the scripts and all? Like, do you really discuss with Surya, and is Surya discussing with you about his scripts?
Yeah, so we choose a script ourselves. We say okay to it if we both like. I mean, personally, if we like it, but yes, we discuss. We discuss a lot about the kind of work we want to do. We want to make our children proud. That's something we've decided after marriage, that we have to do the kind of work they should proudly take all their school friends and go in and watch. So yeah, so we discuss a lot about our films, but the choice is individually ours.
Okay. So, I mean, as a fan of Surya, we are all excited about Kangwa. And what would
Of course, I'm very excited. It's looking wonderful. It's a very big film, and it's something I think cinema has to watch out for. It's something really big being made, and a lot of effort, a lot of hard work gone into that film. So I hope it gets the deserved success.
so? I mean, Jyotika is not looking at Telugu films, if I say.
No, that's not true. I'm not looking at any language right now. I've done a Malayalam film recently, so it's just whichever character and whichever script I like, I just go for it. Language is not a barrier today. Every other language film is getting dubbed,
Yeah.
and we are watching it everywhere. So I think I'm just waiting for the script and the strong character. So I keep hearing, and then I do one at a time. So I'm waiting for a good Telugu script.
So, inspiring a blind one. I mean, when it comes to Srikanth, so tell us something about your character.
So I'm playing Srikanth's teacher, Devika ma'am, and I think she was largely responsible in supporting Srikanth in his journey, and she was more a mother to him, more a friend to him, a guidance. So I'm playing all of that in one. So yeah, she plays the wind beneath his wings partially. There were many people who were responsible for his growth, and I feel it's a very strong, composed, and a very strong character to play.
What do you think, like playing a commercial heroine character, or completely script based or story based, which is
I don't categorize them like that. Even commercial films also you can have great roles. In fact, I think we should not categorize it. It will be better for the heroines if we get stronger roles in the big hero films and in the bigger setups. It will be better for cinema as a place. We have to look at that change. I think Malayalam cinema is much ahead in that. They're doing it. I recently did a film with Mammootty sir, and we had an equal space, almost equal role in the film. So I think it's good if commercial films give strong roles to women, and that will be the best space. But otherwise, yes, leading a film in a women protagonist role, those films are always very beautiful to do.
so. I mean, you played so many roles, like, but some characters will be very near to your heart.
So many of my films are near to my heart, and I can say one of them, of course, is Srikanth also. So I'm not saying because the film is releasing, but I'm extremely proud of playing this role. But a film very close to my heart is Moli, where I played a deaf and mute girl. That's a film I feel most special film in my career. But saying that, I'm extremely proud to do this role and this film.
Thank you, and we are all eagerly waiting for watching Srikanth. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
సో అది కంగువా గురించి కూడా చాలా ఎక్సైటింగ్గా ఉన్నానని చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. అది కూడా త్వరలోనే మన ముందుకు రాబోతుంది. సో డూ వాచ్ శ్రీకాంత్.